This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Minecraft. So I'm right here on the main Minecraft download page. Now you can find this at minecraft.net/download. I will put that URL as a link in the video description just below this video. So you can just click on that link and wind up here, and you don't need to mess around searching or anything like that. So the Minecraft download page will know what version, what platform operating system you have. It's correctly identified that I have Mac OS. If you want to download another version, you can click see below, and that will take us to this versions and platforms section. So you can see there's a Windows version, lots of Windows versions, there's an iOS version, a Mac version, Android, so on and so forth. So you can pick your poison from there. But in general, you will click this main green button for download for, and I will click on that, and then automatically the download will start. If it doesn't, you can click here like it says, but I just saw that the icon went flying up there, which is a universal symbol on Mac OS, that it has been sent to the downloads location. Now, depending on your browser, your downloads location might differ, but my downloads location, I have Google Chrome, like I say, on a Mac, and that goes directly to the main downloads folder. So depending on your browser, yours might be in a different location, but you'll know that ahead of time. You will then find the installer in your downloads location, and you will follow the steps from there. So hopefully you have found this video on how to download Minecraft useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.